In a rare moment, the United States has released dramatic footage showing its most advanced stealth bomber, the B-2 Spirits, taking off for a powerful and secretive mission against Iran. Well, the video captured at the Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri shows the iconic black aircraft slowly rolling out of its hangar just past midnight. Engines humming, lights blinking in the darkness as it begins a highly coordinated strike called Operation Midnight Hammer. Let me tell you, it wasn't just any air mission. It involved 7 B-2 Spirit bombers, each flown by just 2 pilots, taking off together for a non-stop round-trip journey of nearly 37 hours. That's over a day and a half in air without even landing. The B-2s flew directly from the heart of America all the way to Iran, dropped their deadly payload, and then they came right back. This became the second longest mission ever for the B-2 bombers, surpassed only by the early days of the United States war in Afghanistan in 2001. So, why were these specific bombers actually chosen for the mission? That's the interesting question that the world wants to know. Let me tell you, because of what they were carrying. GBU-57 MOP. Now, this wasn't just an ordinary bomb. It weighs a whopping 30,000 pounds, about the size of a small bus, and it is designed to punch through hundreds of feet of rock and reinforced concrete. In simple terms, it's a bunker buster, and only the B-2 bomber can carry it. That's exactly what was needed to hit Iran's heavily protected nuclear facilities at Fordo, Natanz, and Isfahan. These are the sites believed to be hidden deep underground. Now here's how the mission unfolded. All 7 bombers took off from Missouri just after midnight on June 21st. On their way, they met mid-air refueling aircraft at pre-planned checkpoints to top off their fuels, and that too without even landing. Once refueled, the bombers continued east, crossing oceans and continents, heading straight for Iran. But this wasn't just about flying and bombing. Behind the scenes, the US military planners had orchestrated a complex network of support. Fighter jets, electronic warfare aircraft, surveillance planes, and even a submarine. Just before the B-2s entered Iranian airspace, the submarine fired more than 24 cruise missiles, targeting radar and defense system to clear their way. Then came the stealth bomber. As they approached Iran, they were protected by faster 4th and 5th generation aircraft flying ahead to distract any Iranian defenses. These decoy fighters helped prevent detection, allowing the B-2s to glide silently towards their targets. At exactly 2:10 a.m. local time in Iran, the lead B-2 dropped its bomb on the Fordo nuclear site. One by one, the other followed. In total, 14 massive bunker buster bombs were dropped within 25 minutes window, each hitting a carefully chosen point. The strike was precise, it was fast, and it was deadly. All 3 major nuclear sites were hit. Then, just as quietly as they arrived, the B-2s turned around and flew home. Now, military experts say that this kind of mission showcases America's unmatched air power. It also sends a clear message. The United States is willing to go to great lengths, even launching strikes from halfway across the globe, if it believes that its national security or that of its allies is threatened. But this operation also carries risks. Striking Iranian nuclear facilities could provoke further retaliation, fuel regional tension, and set off a chain of reaction of military responses. Yet the message was unmistakable. No place is out of reach, not even the most protected bunkers buried deep under the Iranian soil.